Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing Exploding Kittens again. So apparently not a lot of people who watch my videos aren't subscribed. But actually I'm like a bit over half. Actually, most of the people who watch my videos are subscribers compared to a lot of bigger channels. At the end, I'll play a clip of how many, the analytics of it. Everything is going to be okay. Yeah, well, your bleeding will be okay. Ooh. I just shuffled it. You shouldn't have been there. Stupid exploding kitten. I see everything. I see everything. That's before I'm playing 3 games. Why you take time to polish pegacorn? Pew pew. I'm going to steal a card from Bros. Oh, that was such a big risk. Man, I should not have taken that card.
It's your turn.
Slap. I like.
Potato.
Fine, go backwards. He actually just used it. Oh, they were just evaporated. For a video on their turn, just I don't think their biggest worry was that they lost a swap card. I think it's that they put up an exploding kitten.
Good game. Your turn. You.
Here, you can shuffle because I don't need that.
your turn.
Well, that's the end of the first game. Huh. Final rematch. Now I'm 1v1ing them.
It's your turn. I see everything.
Yeah, I was just, why did I use
Your
that?
turn. It's your turn.
Yeah, but first give me a card. Now I'm gonna see the future.
3 kittens.
Yes, I'm going to get a deep fuse.
You.
Yes, another defuse. Okay, already on my way to Wintersville. Shouldn't have said that. I'm gonna die now.
I like.
Okay then.
You.
They just took a streak. They have a streaking kitten. I'm not going to ask for a card from them. I'm not asking for a card. Ever. Because they have one. Dun, dun, kind of one. I just sent a nuclear bomb.
It's your turn. Here you.
Oh yeah, they had put one on the bottom. Oh well, I don't care. Here, you can take a draw from the bottom. Hope you get that and then draw from the bottom.
It's your turn. Oh. Oh. You. Your turn. Kitty cat butt butt. Potato. It's your turn.
Did I just put my defuse up? No, I didn't. I put a...
Your turn.
There was no chance of survival. For the last game, let's see who wins, me or Brosk.
You.
No, I'm seeing the future. Oh, a streaking kitten. No. Yo, no way. No way. Already?
I got no pants on.
I got no pen. Wait, what?
Nom, 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 nom. Your turn.
Oh, shoot. Everything.
It's your turn. Your turn.
Draw from the bottom like the scared little baby you are.
Kitty cat butt butt.
Fine. I hope that's the exploding kitten. Why did you have to kitty cat butt me?
Defcon 1.
And you should slap them. Ooh, another defuse. They ask me for another card, I'm giving them the exploding kitten treatment. Oh. I like.
It's your turn. Your turn.
Give me a card.
Potato.
Your turn.
Pew pew.
It's your turn.
If I have. Well, that's going to be the end of today's video.
Well, that's
Bye,
the end of this
guys.
video. Bye, guys.
So apparently only 38% of you are subscribed. So please subscribe.